Production na lang. Gusto ko
Ayun na the Great Angel Aquino.
Kayo and Renal Baby. Claim ko talaga yan. But maraming salamat for spending your afternoon with us. As a fan of senior high, kasi nung ginagawa namin senior high, pinapanood ko rin talaga siya. And I did not miss an episode. So when I saw this again, yes, I was your fan. So when I saw this, I was so delighted to see everyone grow and everyone become their new selves now. Yung mas adult, mas mga nag-adulting na ng mga bata from Northford. So I hope that you were as delighted as I was watching the 2 episodes. Sobra akong nabitan and I can't wait to see at least the first week. Sana kung first week, siguro mas buo yung experience namin. But yeah, I was so amazed by all the acting.